How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix on how to send snaps without any media upload. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, make sure you have a good internet connection. If you don't have it, just switch up to an internet connection that is stable and faster. After that, try fixing your issue. If that is not the issue, you may just simply go to Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. After that, look for updates. If any update is available, you may just simply tap on update and wait for the update to be completed and try using your Snapchat again. So the next thing you can do is simply go to apps under your settings. After going to apps under your settings, you may just search for Snapchat. And here, go under storage, and here simply click on clear cache, or you may just go under manage storage and delete the data of the app and re-log in into your account. And another thing we can do is just reinstall the app as I said, or you may just update your app. If that also doesn't work, you may just simply go to your Snapchat. After that, simply tap on your profile at the top and there just go to your settings. After that, scroll down until you see bugs and suggestions. Here just simply tap on report a bug, tap on it, and here tap on friends. After that, you may just choose a topic. Under topics, simply select snaps and tell them about your problem, and Snapchat should reach out to fix your issue. So therefore, by following those methods, you can fix your uploading your Snapchat without any media upload. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.